Hi everyone, this is Nico Katavis, owner and operator of Detailed Xpress. I'm going to take a couple of minutes and talk to you about the coronavirus. This is a very serious situation that is occurring all over the world and in our beautiful nation. I can't stress to you the importance of getting your vehicle disinfected. I implore all of you to call me and set up your disinfecting and sterilization of your vehicle's interiors. I have special services set up in place for an event like this. I'm offering virucide cleaning, steam cleaning, ozone treatments, and even ozone machine rentals. I want to take a second and address how business will be conducted through these troubled times. I have my team helping answering the phones to answer all of your questions. Please be patient with us and we will respond ASAP if we miss your call. My business is focused on keeping you safe and healthy. The way we can do that is by keeping your interiors germ-free. Please note, there will be no customer interaction once I arrive on site. We will communicate by phone or text prior to my arrival. Please have keys in the vehicle and ready to go. This way, when I arrive, I can get right to work. Afterwards, your keys will be placed back in your vehicle. At that time, myself or my team will send you an invoice and it can be paid online. No credit cards or cash will be taken on site. All communications will be done by phone or text. The last thing I have for you are my safety precautions. I will be wearing a full face respirator. Once it goes on, it does not come off till the job is complete. My safety gloves will be switched multiple times to prevent cross-contamination when going from outside to inside your vehicle. Afterwards, gloves will be disposed of. I will never be wearing the same gloves from car to car. In the evening, all equipment and my truck are cleaned and disinfected. This ensures cleanliness for the next day. Depending on service, I may be wearing a full hazmat suit in order to protect my clothing, so don't be alarmed if I look like an astronaut. Understand, a clean car is a happy and safe car. Please give me a call today. This country is strong, stay healthy, stay positive, and we will get through this together. God bless you, and God bless America.